Shrine Pro is one of the popular themes in the Shopify space, and I want to show you how can you uplift the shopping experience on this theme by using an app. So let me show you first like how it's working without an app. So you can see here variant images, and here it's showing like all variant images, basically everything is shown here. And then when we are changing image, only first image is changing, and yeah, the rest is just staying the same. And now also let me change it here as well. Same thing is happening when changing here, so only these images are changing and the rest is staying the same, which is kind of doesn't make sense, because you really want to see actually all the green images when I'm selecting green color, pistachio. I see the right color name here. And let me now enable an app called Rubik Variant Images and show you how it will work with that app. Okay, now I enabled Rubik Variant Images app, and I just will change variants, and you see like all images are just shown based on relevant selected color. And this is much more better experience on the website, and it works well also with these parts, which is bundle. So if you select pink, it will show pink. If you select blue, it will show blue. It also works here as well. You just select whatever you select is going to be shown. So this is much more better experience on the product page when you are using Rubik Variant Images app here. Yeah, thanks for watching.